In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a little small space heater. This is actually called the Handy Heater, pure warmth. And let me just kind of like go over some of the features on this thing. It's powerful, 1200 watts of power coming out of this thing. It has a recessed ceramic heating element that's built into it there. It's got cool touch case, so the case doesn't get hot. Auto tip over protection, I will test that. And it heats up to 250 square foot. I got this for camping basically. 3-speed control, LED light. This thing has an LED light built into the top of it. It's got the night, so it's basically LED light, which is a night light. Different colors, so you can see it's 7 color changes there. And actually, just looking over it, you can kind of see high performance, ultra fast heating. There you go, as seen on TV. You know, we all love our as seen on TV. Let's just open this thing up. I did open it up and kind of like look at it, but everything was with it. And open it up here, you get a little set of instructions right there. Kind of shows you how to use it. You know what? There's an on and off switch and a button to turn the light on. Then taking it out. And let's say, oh, there's how the auto tip, so that gets pushed down. Then if it falls over, that comes out. Pretty genius way of doing that, actually. Simple and effective instead of having like a gyro. So you got like different modes right there. Let me plug this thing in and let's see how this thing works. Okay, it's plugged in there. Let's go ahead and try it. So as soon as you mash the button, you get the night light on. Can you turn the light off? There's all of the modes. Pretty cool that they have. I've never seen it. You can. So just cycle through and you can turn it off. Oh, see, there's the... So if it's down like that, you got to be careful not to lift it up. So I can't lift it up. Or actually, let me hold that. Everybody, that feels really good. That's got a lot of heat. So check this out. So if it accidentally gets bumped, it's off. Just bumping it turns it off, because this thing has to be depressed the entire time. I really like the fact of the adjustable LED lights, and just turn it off. So if you just want to like put it on, let's put it on the green. Look at that green one. None of this case is getting hot at all. The case is staying nice and cool. The Handy Heater, I recommend this thing. So you go through the button right there, and it's a high, medium, low, so you can adjust it there, and then you could change whatever like lighting mode that you want. Very cool. Right there's on low. That's probably what I'd run it on right there. That way it doesn't use a lot of my power. I have electricity in my van, and that's what I'm going to be using this thing for, is when I'm around a campsite or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Handy Heater, pure warmth. See you on the next video.